Hello everyone! For today's video, we're going to talk about how you can fix USB not recognized on Windows 10 or 11. Go ahead and hover to the search bar, then type in Windows PowerShell. Right-click on it, then run as administrator. In the command, type this, then hit enter. It will try to troubleshoot the problem. The next step, go to the search bar, then search for Device Manager and open it. Now expand the Universal Serial Bus Controller. Now right-click on the USB root hub, then select Update Driver. After that, click Search automatically for updated driver software. Close it once the process is done. Now right-click on the General USB hub, then select Update Driver. After that, choose the Browse option, then click on Next. After this, close it. And finally, restart your PC. That's it for today's video. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content.